Assalamualaikum. Good morning, kids. How have you been? I hope you are staying healthy and happy with your family at home. In our science lesson today, we will go and see things in our nature. Are you excited to see and learn about our nature today? If yes, show me your thumbs up. Before we go and see what I have prepared for you, let me tell you the meaning of nature. Nature is the phenomena of the physical world collectively, including plants, animals, the landscapes, and other features and products of Earth. Nature is Allah's creation that we should appreciate and take care of. When we take care of our nature, we can live more peacefully too. Okay, as you have understand what is nature, let's see some things that we can see in our natural environment. You can follow the words that I say and enjoy the pictures. Okay? Sky. Sky. Langit. The sky is blue and clean. Land. Land. Daratan. We walk, run, and live on the land. Mountain. Mountain. Gunung. Sometimes mountains shaped like cones and very tall that its point lost in the clouds. Forest. Forest. Hutan. There are many wild animals live in the forest. Field. Field. Padang. Have you ever seen cow and sheep grazing in the open field? Sea. Sea. Laut. The sea water tasted salty and many creatures live in the sea like fish, prawn and seaweed. Island. Island. Pulau. The island you are seeing now is a smaller island. There is also some island that is so big that it turns as vacation spots. River. River. Sungai. River water is tasteless and the water is really cold. Lake. Lake. Tasik. Lake is the large area of water surrounded by land. Waterfall. Waterfall. Air terjun. Waterfall is water from a stream or river falling from mountains or hills to a lower place. There are many famous waterfall places you can visit in our country. Sun. Sun. Matahari. Sun is the major source of energy and source of light. Sun also gives energy to plants. Moon. Moon. Bulan. Moon is sphere, big and white. It is made of dust and rocks and it also moves around the earth. Stars. Stars. Bintang. The stars look very beautiful in night sky. Stars is actually very far from us, hence they look very small. Birds. Birds. Burung. Birds come in many sizes. Some are big and some are small. Do you know there are a lot of colorful birds in the world? animals. Animals. Haiwan. There are two types of animals: wild animals and domestic animals. Insects. Insects. Serangga. Insects are a small kind of animal. There are many types of insects that you can find around you. Plants. Plants. Tumbuhan. Plants are another living things. They can make their own food and they can't move. Trees. Trees. Pokok. Trees is a tall plant that can live for so many years. Trees is also known as the lungs of the earth, and they help keeping the earth healthy. Rain. Rain. Hujan. Rain is clear water pouring down from the sky. Earth will cool down when it's raining. Yay! We have done learning about some things in our nature. There are still many things that Allah created in our nature, and we will learn about them over time. For your activity today, you are going to do nature scavenger hunt. Here are the instructions on your hunt. First, you have to bring out your nature scavenger hunt sheet and check for the things that you have to find. After that, you can go out of your house to find things you see in the sheets. Oh, but don't go too far and don't forget your mask. While you are hunting, circle things that you have found. Left the rest if you can't find them. After you have done, wash your hand with soap. That's it. Have fun! It's the end of our lesson. I hope you are enjoying our class. Thank you everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.